Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. It's Friday night, October 18th, and we are going to make these open-faced loose meat sandwiches. So let's get started. I'm just going to chop up a cubanelle pepper and put that off to the side and ready for him. Next, I'm going to chop up an onion and put that on the same platter. I want to prep everything and make sure it's good to go for him. Okay, he's going to go in with some butter and EVOO, and we're going to sweat out these peppers and onions. Now he's going in with some kosher salt and some ground black pepper.
We're going to have to sacrifice.
Okay. A little splash of lemon, dry white wine.
We had some bacon left over, so he chopped that up and decided to throw that in with the peppers and onions. Now we're going in with a pound of ground beef.
What is that?
Ground white pepper.
Ground white pepper.
Mustard.
Ancho Chile powder.
Paprika. Garlic powder. Parsley. Basil. Crushed red pepper. Chili powder. A little cayenne. Make Chef John proud.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Roasted
Roasted
garlic.
garlic, okay.
Crushed garlic.
Sorry friends, he just adds as he goes. He doesn't have any measurements. Now I'm going to start shredding up the cheese. What we have here is a roasted garlic specialty cheese from Aldi. And then we are also going to shred up some Parm cheese. So what we're going to do is we're going to toast up the bread first, put the Parm cheese down, and then we're going to go in with the meat mixture and put some more cheese on top and then toast again. This is some Italian sliced bread I got from Aldi, so we're going to toast that up first. Now he's going to go down with some EVOO and some roasted garlic to smear on the bread. This turned out to be such a delicious dinner. I really hope you folks try this because this is really good. Now he's going down with the parm that I shredded. That's going to go back in the toaster oven. Now we added the meat mixture, and then we're going to add that roasted garlic specialty cheese on top, and we're going to toast it up. And this is the final product. It was so delicious. And we had an antipasta salad on the side. Friends, I hope this made you hungry, and I hope you make this, and then it brings nourishment to your body. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
That's good. That's good.